So this is an amazing AI tool that I believe a lot of people are going to use. It is called Voost, and the goal of this tool is basically allowing you to upload a picture, and you can upload another picture of a t-shirt or dress or basically any outfit, and you can make the person in the picture to wear that outfit, and the result is quite convincing, and that's because it is exactly the idea behind this tool. I would say it is better than ChatGPT, than Flux model, than any other models most of the times, because this tool is designed so you can maintain the same person, the same character, facial expression, everything, but the clothes would be different. So this tool is open source, it is lightweight, it is free, and of course we got the free demo via Hugging Face. I have created some photos and I can tell it looks pretty convincing. I think it can maintain all the details pretty well, and also there is a feature that lets you try off, so you can remove the clothes from the person and you can get the picture of the clothes, which is very amazing. So if you are interested in using this tool, let me show you how you can use it. First, you can navigate to this URL, and don't worry, I'm going to provide all the links in the video description. And by the way, I do recommend to create a free account in Hugging Face because it will give you more credits and therefore you can create more pictures. Now, here there is step 1, 2, 3 up to step number 5. You can select on whether you want to try on or try off. Try on is making someone to wear different clothes. Try off is to remove the clothes, the outfit from that person. It's up to you which method that you want to use. In this case, I will use try on, so I'm not going to click this button. Now, you can select whether it is upper body, lower body, or the full body. Now, in this case, I guess I'm going to be using full body, and I'm going to upload a picture of a person. Let me just click that button, and let me select, let's say, this picture of a woman. Now, let's upload another picture. This is going to be this dress. Let's click open. And by the way, it is also possible to use the selection tool, so you can select the area of the outfit, but that is optional because this AI model is actually smart enough to tell the human body and the clothes that the person is wearing. So it's not really necessary, but in case you have a very complex scene, then you can actually use the selection tool and select the area of the clothes. Now, after that, when you're done, you can adjust the seat number. It is really random, it's up to you, and most of the time it doesn't really matter. And when you're done with it, you can click run try on or run try off, depending on the mode that you are using, and just wait. So this process will usually take about 1 minute or so, sometimes even less, sometimes more, but generally speaking about 1 minute. Okay, so now it has assigned GPU, start the process, and I'll be back and I will show you the result of this picture. Alright, so we got this result. It looks really amazing. I think it's pretty accurate, although I can notice that the book is missing. There is a book here, but now there is no book anymore. But overall, I think the AI is good enough at actually making this person to be wearing this dress. And not to mention, it is a side profile, even though I provided a profile from the front, but this AI again is pretty good. It can actually make out all the details and able to make the person to wear this cloth, even though when it is seeing from the side. And by the way, about the missing book, it is probably going to be a common feature because I tried it on this picture where the guy is wearing this watch, but the final picture shows him without the watch. So that's one caveat, one downside when you're using this tool. So watch out for all small details, and if you think that's necessary, make sure that the details is maintained, or you might want to use the selection tool to make sure that the selection is accurate. But overall, I'm quite satisfied with the result, and I would see myself using this tool over and over again, and it's going to be a lot better than Flux or ChatGPT when it comes to changing the clothes of someone. So that's basically how you can use it. You can check all the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you around.